Hey everybody, welcome back to Eskemoz, where we explore all the amazing things that make you go, what? Today we're diving into the incredible world of the human body with 24 mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. Did you know you can actually rotate your eyes? It's true. We're not just talking about looking side to side, we're talking full-on 360-degree rotation. Okay, maybe not 360, but pretty close. See, our eyes have these amazing muscles, 6 major ones to be exact. 4 of them are in charge of the up, down, left, right movements. You know, the basics. But the other 2, those are our eye-rolling muscles. They help keep our vision stable and clear, even when we're on the move. Speaking of eyes, get this. Those peepers of yours can see about 1 million different colors. It's all thanks to these little things in our eyes called cones. We've got 3 types, one for red, one for blue, and one for green. And when they all work together, bam, 1 million colors at your fingertips. Some people have an extra cone and can see even more colors, like ultraviolet shades. How cool is that? Ever heard of flash sonar? It's like a superpower. Some people can actually do it. They make clicking sounds with their mouths, and those sounds bounce off objects, creating a kind of 3-dimensional map in their brains. It's like echolocation in bats and dolphins, but with humans. It helps them navigate even in unfamiliar places. Have you ever met someone who has perfect pitch? These folks are like walking, talking tuning forks. They can hear any musical note and instantly tell you what it is. They can even listen to a song and tell you what key it's in without even looking at the music. It's like a superpower for your ears. Imagine being able to identify every note in a symphony orchestra, or sing along with any song in perfect harmony. Did you know some people are born with an extra set of eyelashes? It's a condition called distichiasis, and it means eyelashes grow from an unusual spot, the inner layer of the eyelid. While double the lashes might sound glamorous, it can actually cause some discomfort and might even need a doctor's attention. Have you heard of Wim Hof? He's this Dutch guy who's basically like a real-life superhero. Through special breathing techniques, meditation, and intense training, he can withstand freezing temperatures, boost his immune system, and even influence his autonomic nervous system. Ever get jealous of those people who can function perfectly on just a few hours of sleep? Some people are actually genetically predisposed to needing less sleep. They have this special gene that lets them recharge and feel refreshed in a fraction of the time it takes us mere mortals. Did you know there are people out there called super tasters? These folks have a superpower when it comes to taste. They have more taste buds than the average person, which means they experience flavors much more intensely. Sweet things are sweeter, sour things are more sour, and don't even get me started on spicy food. Our bodies are full of surprises, and one of those surprises is the presence of vestigial muscles. These are muscles that were once useful to our ancestors but are no longer necessary for us. Take the palmaris longus muscle, for example. It's that tendon you see when you touch your thumb to your pinky and flex your wrist. Not everyone has it, and guess what? It doesn't actually do anything. It's just a little reminder of our evolutionary past. Let's talk about the liver for a second. This amazing organ is like the body's own personal superhero, working tirelessly to filter toxins, produce bile, and keep everything running smoothly. But here's the truly mind-blowing part. The liver can regenerate itself. Even if a large portion of the liver is damaged, it can regrow to its original size. It's like something out of a science fiction movie. Ever wonder how you manage to do all those everyday tasks without even thinking about them? Thank your subconscious mind. This powerful part of your brain is like an autopilot, taking care of all those automatic functions so your conscious mind can focus on other things. Get ready to have your mind blown again, because we're about to talk about your second brain. Your gut has its own nervous system, often referred to as the enteric nervous system. This second brain is responsible for regulating digestion, but it also plays a role in your mood, your immune system, and even your cognitive function. We've all gotten goosebumps before, whether it's from a chill down our spine, an emotional moment, or listening to a truly amazing piece of music. But have you ever stopped to think about why we get goosebumps? It all goes back to our evolutionary ancestors. When we were covered in hair, goosebumps would make our hair stand on end, making us look bigger and more intimidating to predators. Nowadays, we don't really need to scare off saber-toothed tigers, but our bodies still hold on to this ancient reflex. Close your eyes and touch your nose. Go ahead, I'll wait. Pretty easy, right? You can thank your proprioception for that. Proprioception is often called our sixth sense, and it's what allows us to know where our bodies are in space without having to look. It's how you can walk without looking at your feet, type without looking at the keyboard, or even dance the Macarena without embarrassing yourself too much. It's a pretty amazing sense when you think about it. Imagine a world where the number 5 is always blue, or the sound of a violin tastes like chocolate. That's what life is like for people with synesthesia. This neurological phenomenon causes different senses to get crossed, so someone might hear colors, taste sounds, or even smell shapes. It's like having a whole extra dimension to your sensory experience. Did you know that we humans are constantly communicating with each other without even saying a word? It's all thanks to pheromones. These chemical signals are released by our bodies and can influence the behavior of those around us. From attracting mates to signaling danger, pheromones play a subtle but powerful role in our social interactions. Ever wonder why you feel tired at night and alert during the day? It's all thanks to your internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. This 24-hour cycle regulates everything from your sleep-wake patterns to your hormone production and body temperature. Staying in sync with your circadian rhythm is essential for good health, so make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating at regular times, and exposing yourself to sunlight during the day. The placebo effect is one of the most fascinating phenomena in medicine. It demonstrates the incredible power of our minds to influence our physical well-being. Simply believing that a treatment will work can actually trigger real physiological changes in the body, leading to pain relief, improved mood, and even faster healing. Our bodies are like incredibly complex machines, with countless systems working together seamlessly to keep us alive and functioning. And at the heart of it all is the autonomic nervous system. This amazing system controls all those automatic functions we don't even have to think about, like breathing, heart rate, digestion, and body temperature. In a world full of germs, bacteria, and viruses, it's a good thing we have an incredible defense system to protect us. Our immune system is like an army of tiny soldiers, constantly on the lookout for invaders and ready to fight off infection. Ever wonder how different parts of your body communicate with each other? Enter the endocrine system. This intricate network of glands produces and releases hormones, those chemical messengers that travel through the bloodstream to regulate everything from growth and development to metabolism and mood. And you might not hear as much about the lymphatic system as other systems in the body, but it plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. This often overlooked system acts as the body's drainage system, removing waste products, toxins, and excess fluid from tissues. It also plays a crucial role in immunity, transporting white blood cells throughout the body to fight off infection. Our skin, hair, and nails aren't just there to make us look good, they're also part of the integumentary system, the body's first line of defense against the outside world. This protective shield helps regulate body temperature, prevents dehydration, and acts as a barrier against infection. So next time you're admiring your reflection, take a moment to appreciate your amazing integumentary system. As we've explored all these amazing facts about the human body, it's important to remember the bigger picture. From the tiniest cells to the most complex systems, our bodies are a testament to the incredible power of life. Every breath we take, every beat of our hearts, every thought we think, it's all made possible by the intricate and interconnected systems that make up the human body. So let's appreciate this incredible gift and strive to take care of our bodies so they can continue to amaze us for years to come. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned some amazing new facts and maybe even developed a newfound appreciation for this incredible machine we call home. Be sure to subscribe to Eskemoz for more mind-blowing facts and wonders from around the world. Until next time, stay curious.